Good morning, Shanghai, Thailand. It's old Ron White Rug here. What we got here today is a little tour of my room here, my gun room. There's the wall with everything on it. Now up here on top, we got our, boy, this thing's there. We got our our wee scar with, that's my cameraman's, with my ACOG on top of it. And then that Thompson there's not going to look like that forever. As soon as I can get some stick mags, that stuff's all getting black. And this here is a piece of teak I'm making the front hand grip for. I don't like that. Don't see it laying out here. That foregrip thing that they have on there. And there's my Sima M14. Didn't put the scope on it for the picture, but that's an all wood, a real wood body on there. That's all real wood. And this mile-long thing, that's my Snow Wolf Barrett 50 cal M107. There's my collection of pistols here. My wee 7-inch Dragon. You might get the idea that we like GBBs. There's, mags and stuff to things. There's my other Dragon I kind of stumbled across, got a good deal on it. That's the A model. That one's a B model, this is the A model. They're both 7-inch Dragons. And there's my beauty. My Glock, my wee Glock 34. That was another lucky find I stumbled onto. And I know that box says M45A1, but that's for another pistol, 1911A1. And I like that skull, that wee symbol. That's cool. Got me a smart charger there. And I got one of these here nice chronographs, so we always know before we leave the house if we're legal or not. Yeah, my good old Dremel. Well, Mechanics Tactical Gloves. Oh yeah, here's a prized possession here. I ordered these BB Warrior patches when he first got them out there, and I'd asked him when he first announced he was going to get them if he could set up international delivery, and he did, and he let me know when this was going to go up. Thanks for supporting me. That's cool. I like Lane, and there's when that's what I drink when I'm watching Dayton with his House Gamers live streams. House Streamers live. And here's the cameraman's favorite with the can on front. That thing's too hot with this can on there. That's the power up Angry Gun. This little sucker hits 520 FPS. It is 420 without it. It's a KWA MP7 GBB, of course. And here, got too much lighting on there right now. That's a wee M45A1 Team Match 2. This is really a nice shooting gun. 350 SPS. And these grips, he didn't You know, these grips I got on here, that's the original grips that came with this one, with this Kimber. But then I ordered some mahogany, real mahogany grips off of KY Airsoft. Shout out to them. They really worked with me on getting some stuff here. Well, yeah, a bottom shelf here. Where's my knife? I'm missing a knife. Where'd I put it? Oh, here it is. Here's my SOG Slim Jim. Well, until I got that loosened up to open it right, I had trouble. I had band-aids all over my fingers. And then my K-bar dog's head. Same knife as the Marines, the one the Marines carry, except that it's got the Marines has a round knob and a curved hand guard. There's my Schrade Extreme Survival. Oops, didn't get you very good. I've been busy looking at the knives, admiring myself. Don't ignore my mess over here. This place is still a work in progress. There I like to keep the boxes. You know, if I get an original box, I save it. And there's got assorted different bags, a couple of backpacks, couple of three nice gun cases. They're all two gun bags. My leather M14 slings, M14 M1 slings, and you know the good old pistol belts. And here's the, forget the name. They have a special name for the sling for the Thompson. And I got my various, you know, I got to give credit to Novrich. He did a video. Oh yeah, my goodies. Those are called emergency meals. First, Novrich, he showed how he did all this stuff, keeping his guns, organizing all his stuff, and had everything marked. He had better boxes and stuff to store things in than I do. You know, here's my air seals, silencers, slings. I got a shitload of slings and belts. These, I just haven't opened the box to put these in. This is actually an original M1 carbine sling. I never had the whole thing. I used to have an M1 carbine. Had to leave it in the U.S. And there's the cameraman's sniper scope on top. And I got here's the Swiss Arms 4x40. The same scope that good old Novrich used to have on his, for many years, on his super modified VSR-10, and then his SSG-24. I just got these assorted stuff. The Zeotech is pretty nice. That's what I really want to put up there on the Thompson. Actually, I got the ACOG for the Thompson, but it got grabbed. Okay, so that's about all I got in here. Got more work in progress going on outside, getting my workbench, all my tools organized and stuff, so I can finally start doing things right and find things a little easier. So this is all right. White Rook signing off.